Hi everyone, this is the time to learn a language for free. Let's start. Busuu. What do you have? You have lessons divided in modules, and you can only do the second if you do number one. And it's all sequenced and it's very easy to follow. You have different typologies of exercises. If you get it right, it's green. If you get it wrong, it's red. And then you have the explanation and the translation.
Marina.
You always
Как
have the
ты?
translation, which is a really good thing. So this is an example because I'm studying Russian and I am Portuguese. When you end the module, you get a cup. That's good. Another good thing about Busuu is that you get a community to help you and correct your exercises. For example, you can submit a work and someone will correct it. You can also find friends and who can teach you the language and help you. This is an appealing, amazing app to learn the language, so just check it out because now it's your turn. Choose the language and just start doing it because you're going to enjoy it very, very much. It's really, really good. If you like this type of video, check out my playlists on learning languages with these apps because they are here and they are marvelous. They're going to help you and you're going to learn the language. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.